Welcome to Practical Digital Strategies. I'm Guy Cook, and if you're a small business owner, a digital marketer, a blogger, you're in the right place. I'm here to help you unlock the power of digital with practical strategies that will drive results. Stick around and learn how to elevate your digital presence. Make that game happen one video at a time. Let's get started. How does influencer marketing shape consumer decisions and business success? I'm not going to say that big, long title again, but basically you've got influencers, and that's changed. It used to be just a sports figure or an actor, entertainment person that was an influencer, and they would endorse a product and you'd go and buy it based on their say-so. Well, now it's turned into, there's a whole lot of different influencers. Look up the brand you want to pick and just Google it and say, who are the influencers for that brand, that name? Okay. And I've done that on several of them. And I've got the case studies in the Google document. There's the case studies that describe influencers nowadays and how it has changed over the years. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com and look up Understanding Online Influencer Marketing, and bazinga, you're going to be in the captain's seat, have that information available to you. I got to take a trip this morning, so this is a short episode, aren't they all? Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content, and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.